Thank you for purchasing a Coleman Lazy Spa. Please keep in mind this video is to accompany the printed user's manual and is not a substitute. Pay careful attention to the warnings and safety instructions included in the manual. And be sure to visit your local pool retailer for information on treating the water in your spa. The most important part of setting up your lazy spa is to select a suitable location for your spa. Bear in mind that the total weight of the spa, when filled with water, plus the weight of the spa users, adds up to a considerable load. Therefore, never set up your spa on a surface that is anything other than smooth, flat, level, and capable of uniformly supporting the weight for the entire time the lazy spa is installed, not on the carpet or other similar material. Also, bear in mind that the spa requires convenient water and power sources for filling and operation. Be sure also to clear the area of any sharp objects or debris. Lay out the spa in the selected location. Open the inflation valve and press in the center valve actuator. Next, insert the pressure gauge and connect the inflation hose. Next, connect the other end of the inflation hose to the pump's air outlet. This is marked with the letter A. Connect the spa pump to a suitable power outlet. Warning: carefully read your manual to determine the steps required to power up the pump. Press the Lazy Massage System button to begin inflating the spa. When the spa is fully inflated, press the Lazy Massage System button again to switch off the inflation function. Remove the inflation hose from the spa and screw on the inflation valve cap to seal it. Next, lay out the inflatable spa cover with the underside facing upwards. Attach the adapter nozzle and insert the inflation hose in the spa cover's fast inflate valve. Press the Lazy Massage System button to begin inflating the spa cover. Once the spa cover is fully inflated, press the Lazy Massage System button again to cease inflating. Remove the inflation hose from the spa cover and seal the fast inflate valve. Next, detach the inflation hose from the pump unit. Move the pump unit close to the spa and connect the air outlet and water inlet and outlet ports to the spa. Ensure they are tight. Check that the drain port is pressed close, then remove the stoppers. And attach the filter set to the Lazy Spa's outlet valve. Repeat this procedure, removing the remaining stopper and attaching the second filter set and outlet valve. Next, fill the pool using your garden hose, taking care not to over or underfill. There is a level marker on the side wall of the pool. To lock or unlock the pump, place a finger over the lock, unlock button for 3 seconds. Use this button to activate the heating system. When the light above the heat button is red, the heating system is activated. When the light is green, the water is at the set temperature and the heating system is at rest. This button activates the water filtration system. This button toggles between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This button activates the lazy massage system, which is equipped with a 30-minute auto shutoff feature. Use the arrow keys to input your desired temperature. Use this button to set the heating duration and when to activate the heating system. After 72 hours of operation, the pump will hibernate, and the LED display will flash end and show the current water temperature. When the pump is hibernating, both the heating and water filter functions are disabled. To reactivate the pump, press the lock/unlock button for 3 seconds and enter your desired temperature. Lastly, place the cover on the Lazy Spa. Attach it using the double lock safety clips and tighten the straps. Warning: water attracts children. Always securely attach the spa cover after each use to prevent children from accessing the spa while unsupervised. Make sure the double lock safety clips have been properly fastened and tighten the straps. Please note that the spa cover is not a substitute for adult supervision. Children must be supervised around the spa at all times.